Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Yoruba Roots. Today we're going to be talking about some words that have slowly been replaced in Yoruba language. So one of the words is so. Instead of saying so, what can we say in Yoruba instead? A lè sọ pé fún ìdí èyí, tàbí a lè sọ pé nítorí náà, instead of saying so. Another word in Yoruba that is being slowly replaced by English is need. Need. For example, if I wanted to say this sentence in Yoruba, I would say mo nídìí ẹja, mo need ẹja. Dípò tí màá fi sọ pé mo nílò ẹja. Kí ni need ní Yoruba? Nílò. Nílò. So I want to encourage everyone to choose one of these words that you're going to start using and replacing them with the actual Yoruba word instead of saying them in English. Tell me in the comment section, which one are you going to choose to start using from today? Ó dàbọ̀.